Good morning, this is Samir Gurung from Beta 2 Limited here with this morning's market report. Date today is the 24th of March 2015. As always, let me start with equities. Asian shares were slightly down overnight. This was on back of weak data we had in China. However, European shares, it was a different story. FTSE 100 touched an all-time high yesterday. It touched another all-time high this morning, up for 6 consecutive days. European stocks weren't far behind. They were near all-time highs. Now, in regards to FTSE 100, one of the main reasons why it has seen the growth is on back of its multinational exposure the companies have in FTSE 100. Now we're seeing loose monetary policies around the world, which has had an impact on FTSE 100 companies. To start with, we've got QE in the Eurozone at the moment, currently 60 billion euros a month. Now Britain, being the largest trading partner of Eurozone, is having an indirect impact on us over here. At the same time, we're also seeing dovish stance from Bank of England, which is assisting equities, and on top of that, the Fed meeting from last week, the fact that they'll be pushing the interest rate hike towards the latter part of the year is also assisting. So overall, positive for equities, or particularly FTSE 100, very good, touching all-time highs. Now moving on to currency markets, dollar's still weak, continuing its weakness from Monday. We've got euro currently trading around 1.01 level, which is the resistance level. Now the key is obviously whether euro dollar can breach that. We've got few data out in Eurozone this morning at 9 o'clock, services and manufacturing data, which could impact the euro, but overall dollar is weak against its major counterparts, i.e. Swiss franc, the pound, the euro, etc. In regards to gold, gold's still up, trading near its sort of highs it reached a day before yesterday, and no sort of major change in regards to oil, which is still down at the moment. Moving on to other news, just to update you on the situation in regards to Greece. Like I mentioned in my report yesterday, we had Tsipras, Prime Minister of Greece, meeting its counterpart Angela Merkel in Germany. Now, nothing substantial came out of the meeting. It was seen more the case of building sort of trust between the two countries. But having said that, Germany's stance seems to be the same, i.e. it wants Greece to follow the path the creditors have laid out, whereas Greece wants short-term financial aid before negotiating with creditors. So no major change there. Having said that though, the only slight update is the fact that Greece may come out with some sort of plan by end of this week, which will lay out to the creditors to get some sort of aid. According to one of the European officials, they could have a meeting as early as 27th of March this month to get this sort of package for Greece, as long as Greece obviously provides some sort of reform and the creditors are happy with that. So there could be further updates later in the week, but nothing substantial after the meeting yesterday. Tsipras is meeting with coalition parties within Germany and other sort of lawmakers, but nothing sort of substantial expected out. Aside from that, we have a few sort of key data today which could impact the currency markets. We've got CPI, the Consumer Price Index, coming out in UK at 9:30. If the reading comes out lower than expected, it could put pressure on the pound. However, it could be good for the equities. FTSE 100 could go up higher. We also have a CPI data out in the US at 12:30. Again, that could impact the US dollar. So those are the two key data to watch out for today. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.